In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Docusign. By the end, you'll have Docusign available right inside Gmail so you can access it without switching tabs. All you need is a desktop browser with Gmail open and an active Docusign account. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Look to the right side of your inbox for the vertical sidebar that holds tools like Calendar and Tasks. At the bottom of that sidebar, click the plus icon labeled Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel or a new window, depending on your setup. In the search bar, type Docusign e-signature for Google Workspace. Find the official listing from Docusign, then select it. On the listing page, click Install. You may be asked to confirm that you want to add this to your Google account. Go ahead and confirm. If you're on a work or school account, you might see a notice that an administrator has to approve the add-on. If that happens, just contact your admin to enable it. Next, you'll be prompted to allow Google permissions. This screen explains what the add-on can access so it can work properly in Gmail. Review the details, then click Allow to continue. This only grants access to the Docusign add-on you're installing. Once the installation finishes, return to Gmail. You should now see the Docusign icon in the right-hand sidebar alongside your other tools. If you don't see it yet, refresh the Gmail tab and it should appear. Click the Docusign icon to open the add-on panel. You'll be asked to sign in to your Docusign account. Click Sign In and follow the prompts in the secure Docusign window. Use your usual sign-in method, and if your organization uses single sign-on, follow that flow. When prompted, authorize the connection so Docusign can work within Gmail. After you've signed in, the panel will load your Docusign options, confirming the connection is complete. From here, Docusign is integrated with Gmail, and you can access it right from your inbox. If the sidebar is hidden, click the small arrow at the bottom right of Gmail to reveal it. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, double-check you installed the add-on to the correct one. And if the installation button is unavailable, your admin may need to approve Marketplace apps. That's it. Gmail is now connected. You've successfully installed the Docusign e-signature add-on, allowed the necessary permissions, opened it from the Gmail sidebar, and signed in to your Docusign account. You're ready to go.